Y'all, I'm finally getting my content room together. I'm so excited. He already put my chair together and my bookshelf. It's like leopard print or cheetah print. I want to put that on my walls so y'all can watch.
Or do you want to hold it?
I don't want to do the
Huh?
work.
You said you want to work.
Hey, what are you doing, buddy? Let me use this. I don't want to put like holes in the wall. It also came with these little like sticker things, so that's perfect because when if I pull down the, like if I decide to change the wallpaper, it would be perfect. So you just put it in the four corners. Okay, so before we unstick this side, we're gonna see where we're gonna put it. So I'm thinking right here. What do you guys think? I feel like this is not stable. He's gonna have to stabilize this. What do we think, chat? Let me give you a close up. Hold on. And I'm gonna put the sign has to go like with that plug. So I'm gonna put it somewhere right here. Okay guys, so you have to excuse like the things that are like right here because this is my filming stuff, like the stuff that I have to film for TikTok. And then I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with my cords. It's a mess, I know, but we're gonna figure that out. So I got this mirror, and that's from Walmart. If they have it online, I'll link it. It's like, it's really cute. I don't want you guys to see me, I'm in my moo-moo. Here I just have stuff that I like use, like my hair stuff and my makeup stuff. And there's my vanity, but like my light setup, and then like my vanity lights as well. And I ended up putting the Fearfully and Wonderfully Made here because I want to be able to see it when I'm sitting on doing my makeup, like just as a reminder. Here, this is my husband's gaming chair, but this is the wall. What do you guys think? Up at the top right there, I think I'm going to get my YouTube handle right there with like fur, a pink fur right there. And then I'm also thinking about adding like a semicircle rug under right here. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments because I'm not really sure what kind of rug I should get, but that's what I'm thinking right now. But I think it came out beautifully for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Hey y'all, so it's been like a day or two and I just want to come back and do an outro. So I just want to show you my wall, and this is my little seating area. But I really enjoyed doing this project, and it made me feel so good that I got this accomplished because last year I was supposed to get this done, and it takes me a long time to get things done. I don't know, like I just procrastinate and I just worry about things so much. So this was one of the biggest, sorry, I have hair. This was one of the biggest things that I wanted to get done in the new year, like in the beginning of the new year. So I'm just super proud of myself for not only getting it done in the new year, but doing it in the first week of January. And I just have so much content planned out. And so I'm just so happy to be able to push out more content and just do the things that I say that I'm going to do. That just makes me so proud. So please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. and make sure that you turn on those post notifications so you can be updated every time that I upload a video. And if you have anything that you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye.